everyone, so I'm here to do the second look with the Wet n Wild X Snoopy. This time I'm going to use the copper or bronze. So I tried the root beer lip scrub. I don't know, it tasted a little funny to me. I'm just gonna use the other side of the brush I used last week. I'm gonna use this darker gold, or at least just a different shade of gold. Use the other side for this like blackened green right here. It looks like the glitter was just like an overlay or something. Oh, okay. I thought it would come out black, but it's coming out green. Just put this here. And I'm gonna go into the pink like I did last time. These two right here. Because I remember last time when I used the white, it was really overpowering. It still is. What I think I might go over this. This. I'm gonna try something different. I don't really like how that looks. I'm gonna go into the gold highlighter. Yeah, I don't like that white. It's got like a blue sheen to it, and it's not matching with the gold and the green.
Oh.
There you go. For some reason, oh, I'm so sorry. For some reason, it's not taking, but it's taking now. I don't know why I have a tendency to lean to the left when I'm doing my makeup. Yeah, that's way better. Try to blend in that green. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go into this glitter right here. Okay, nice. Very nice. Alright, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I used the Charlie Brown lipstick, the pink gloss, the marshmallow lip balm tasted good, but the lip oil, it's minty. I don't like mint. And then I used this brown blush. Oh, I can't even open it. Why can't I open it? Anyway, the brown blush, and I liked both the blush and the lipstick because browns don't look good on me, but these are nice. It's a brown, but it has like a pinkish rosy undertone, and the lipstick is a nice medium brown. It doesn't have like orange tones to it, so I really like that. And then I put the gold highlighter. So yeah, so that's what I did for that.